introduce yourself?
My name is Mayur Kakaso Shingare. I'm coming from place Siddewadi from Sangli district. I have completed my primary education from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalay, Palus. Then I have completed higher secondary education from Millington College, Sangli. And I have completed mechanical engineering from Sangli. I have been preparing for civil services examination from 2018, and this is my CIPF first interview.
Okay. What prompted you to join the CIPF?
Because I have been passionate about uniform services. My dream was to be joining in army, and I have given 7 SSB interviews. So I always been passionate about uniform service.
What is your hobbies?
My hobbies are writing diary, doing exercise, especially gym workout, and I love cooking also.
Name the internal security issues that we are facing presently.
Presently in Punjab region, we are facing internal disturbance because of Khalistan movement and that all, and also in Red Corridor, we have been facing Nakshal problems, and in northeastern region, we are facing insurgency from Myanmar border and Bangladesh border also, and in Jammu Kashmir, which is also a internal security problem.
Okay. Is Maharashtra facing any struggle?
Maharashtra, in some places where means Karnataka border, and also because of state border issues, some incidences have been happening.
Okay. So shall we call them as a law and order problem or internal security problem?
Law and order.
What is the difference between both?
Internal security problem is, as per my perception, internal security problem is threat to whole nation, and law and order is like people not following the order which should be followed.
So is Maharashtra facing any internal security problem?
Yes, in Gadchiroli and Chandrapur district, there are some incidences of Naxalism.
But in many years, nothing happened.
Yes.
Anything else?
Urban Naxalism is also a new thing which has evolved in recent years, which is also an internal
How
security.
to identify the urban Naxal?
Sorry.
Okay. Have you heard about the cyber security issues in India?
Yes, sir.
Is it an internal security issue?
It is internal as well as external issue. If uh, if uh, if people from within India uh, contributing to cyber problems, then it can means internal security problem. But for example, China is contributing to problems in cyber security related to India, then it can also be external aggression.
So we should treat it as external aggression and army should tackle it, or who should tackle it? Who should tackle it?
Yes, sir.
Who should tackle it? Okay, who is Willingdon?
Willingdon was Governor, Viceroy of India.
Governor or
Viceroy of India.
Of India?
Yes, sir.
So was he Governor of India?
After 1857, Governor General of India was known as Viceroy of India.
So Willingdon was what? Governor of India or
Viceroy of India.
And he was not a Governor of India?
No, sir.
He was not. Okay, so only he was Viceroy.
Yes.
What is the role of Viceroy? What he should do? What are the two posts?
No, sorry, sir.
Sangli is famous for the wine, isn't it? Does wine has alcohol into it?
Yes, sir.
How much?
10%. 10%. 10% by volume.
Okay. So shall wine should be allowed to be sold in the malls and retail shops?
I think so, no, sir.
In some state in Madhya Pradesh is already allowed. Maharashtra is the demand.
I don't know much about it.
Okay.
So, doing workout is your hobby.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference between aerobics and yoga? Have you tried it?
I have tried yoga. I haven't tried aerobics.
Heard of the aerobics?
Yes, I have heard. Don't know much of aerobics.
Okay, what is yoga?
Yoga is like different exercises, not only physical but also some exercises which work on your mind, meditation.
Which exercises work on your mind?
Like Brahmari, I know one exercise Brahmari, where we close eyes and do sound, which uh, helps in focusing, and Kapalbhati yoga also, which focuses our breathing and which helps to concentrate.
What is the benefit of weightlifting?
Benefit of weightlifting is also like it helps to focus on one thing, and it gives strength physically to lift weight. It also improves strength and stability of your body. Your body.
Can the same strength be achieved by yoga?
It depend on resistance training. Means if we apply more resistance, then our means body is going to react positively to it.
Okay. What is the benefit of your graduation in this field?
For example, if we take CRPF is posted in majority of red corridor areas, so where IEDs are major threats, and for nullifying it, we use detectors, and we also means CRPF is also use red parties, and then but in engineer can easily identify some changes in any bridges or any road development which are majorly targeted to plant the IEDs. Also, an engineer help to build stronger vehicles which are majorly attacked, ambushed. So, and also logical mind which helps to take actions which can be benefited.
What is the scheme Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya was started for? What was the aim
Uh,
of it?
Its aim was to rural motivate and give opportunity of good education to rural talent.
Rural talent.
Yes,
What is the percentage of
70% students are from rural.
Bangalore?
Yes.
What is Sangli famous for?
Sangli is famous for grapes and turmeric. It is one of the largest market for in Asia for turmeric.
Any art related thing you know?
Miraj place is known famous for singing and satar making, which is a musical instrument.
Okay. Have you heard the budget speech?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What was the? Can you name some of the highlights?
Uh,
Any major
Finance
important?
Minister has introduced Saptarushi, some concept where 7 important points were given,
And the other?
and a new tax regime was introduced,
Okay.
and
What is the budget expenditure on defense sector?
sorry, ma'am.
Can you guess?
percentage-wise GDP, 6% of GDP.
6%.
Yes.
What is green hydrogen? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Green hydrogen, India has been heavily investing in green hydrogen, which is renewable energy source. And India, in Madhya Pradesh, has been big setup has been in making for green hydrogen, which is going to be a new energy source.
What are major problems faced by Maharashtra recently? Recent problems.
One political stability is one recent problem faced by Maharashtra, and
Stability or instability?
instability, political instability. Also, recently hailstorms occurred in Marathwada region, which damaged a lot of crops, and prices of some commodities were high.
Okay. And what is the meaning of term nation?
Nation Nation is group of people, people together with some political theories. Political means we are nation combined because of
Is
constitution.
nation and state same thing?
No,
Then what is the difference between state and nation?
I will check.
How can you define Deshdroha?
Any action taken against government of India or against the people of India can be this.
Deshdroha.
Yes,
Is corruption Deshdroha?
yes, I think yes, ma'am.
You like to write diary?
Yes, ma'am.
You write daily diary?
No, not daily diary, but whenever something important happen in life, then I
You
write.
write something important and have you do you write the things which when you get hurt?
Yes, ma'am. Means not only hurt. Whenever I feel down or whenever I feel happy,
You write everything?
yes, yes.
You write the names of people
No,
you hate?
no.
No, why?
It's because I write diary because I have to go through mistakes and go through right things I have been doing.
Someone abuses you.
Yes. In that situation, I write what was my reaction to that situation and what should I have done, what I did,
Then why to avoid the name?
because that is not important to me. What is important that what I do in that situation is important to me.
But
That person is not important.
when angst comes,
Yes.
it comes with the person, the name,
No,
everything.
ma'am, I think that anger comes from the situation when person says
Then
something or do
you
something.
try to be politically correct in writing diary.
Ma'am, it is just for to analyze myself.
Okay.
For cooking, which is the best oil, edible oil?
Sunflower oil.
Why?
Because its burning point is not so high, and means we cannot boil it means too high, so we cannot means, and it is also means
Are you self-sufficient in sunflower oil?
yes.
You're self-sufficient.
No, sir. We import from Ukraine, Russia, and also from some Southeast countries, Indonesia.
Okay. What is the palm oil?
Palm oil, I have heard, but I don't know.
So So is it a problem for health?
I don't know.
Okay.
Olive oil also known as one of the best oils.
You know the trans fats.
Yes.
What are they? It is said that gluten is there in the wheat.
Yes, gluten.
So is eating a gluten problem for health?
I think eating gluten is not problem, but eating too much of it is a problem.
Too much daily we eat wheat, the chapatis or bread. These are made of wheat only.
Yes, sir.
Will you advise us not to eat the
No,
wheat
sir.
based things?
No, sir.
But gluten is said is not good for health. Ever?
Yes, sir, I have heard.
Uh-huh.
Means gluten-free products
Right.
are promoted a lot, but I think not having gluten at all is not recommended.
Will you advise to reduce the gluten intake?
Right now, I don't know much about it, sir. So I wouldn't advise.
What is green wash?
Green?
Wash.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Speak to shop.
Okay, thanks. Thank you, ma'am.